I can see him, but you cannot.
The case.
Bale Sanwali ki Vrishabhanu Raj Kumari Ji ki Jai 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 Sri Radhe 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 Govinda Radhe 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 Govinda Radhe 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 Govinda Radhe Govinda Radhe 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 Govinda Radhe Govinda Radhe 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 Govinda 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 Radhe Gopal Radhe Govinda Radhe Gopal Radhe 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 Govinda 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 Radhe Govinda Radhe Gopal Radhe Gopal Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare Hare Oh Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Krishna Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare Rama 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 Oh Radhe 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 Govinda Radhe 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 Govinda Radhe Govinda Radhe Govinda Radhe Govinda Radhe Gopal Radhe Hey
Radhe 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 Govinda Radhe. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna is Radha Krishna. But it's very sweet because the name of Radha is more concealed. Gupta eva raso rasatvam apadyate. When rasa is hidden, then it becomes more relishable. So Hare Krishna Mahamantra is very beautiful, very relishable. In this kirtan we were singing, Mekir ki so piki si pri. This is one poem in Braj Bhasha. A new young Braj Gopi, from outside actually, but she's married and come to Braj. And she has never seen Krishna before. Only she's heard something about him. And she's speaking to her Sakhi. She's very distraught. She cannot even stand up. And she's speaking to her friend. Her friend says, oh, what's wrong with you? I was just standing by my window. And I looked out of the window. And there I saw something. What I saw was so beautiful. As soon as I saw something from my window, so beautiful, my mind began spinning around like a top. And I became blind with prema. I became blinded with love. Mohan anayana kibana naso. It was Mohan. Very charming, enchanting, beautiful son of Nanda Maharaj. He was passing by and he glanced at me. And his glance was like an arrow. And when I was struck with that glance, I fainted. Murchai girikoi anaso arrow. and I fell to the ground. Oh, someone help me, someone help me. What happened to my body? I was so strong and healthy. But now, I'm feeling great weakness. I cannot move. Vaijimilo, mohe. Call a doctor. Bring a doctor at once. Which doctor? What type of doctor? Who? Vaijimilo mohe. Nanda Dularo. That son of Nanda Maharaj is the only doctor who can save my life. I'm afraid to uncover my face. Where can I remove my veil? Because if anyone will look in my eyes, then the soul more nayana more pankanawaro. They'll see that there's a boy with peacock feathers in his hair living in my eyes. And then I'll be in big trouble. There'll be a scandal. Actually, they cannot see, but because everywhere she looks. You understand? By praying, Sarva Bhutes Yapasya Bhavamatmana. Those who have love, they see Krishna everywhere. So she thinks he must be in my eyes. If I remove my veil, someone may look and see him. And then I'll be criticized. So this prem should come by chanting the holy names. Krishna Nama Mahamantra Eito Subhav Ye Jape Tari Krishna Upajay Bhav. This is the Subhav, the very nature of the Hare Krishna Mahamantra, that those who repeat the mantra, then transcendental ecstatic love for Krishna will manifest in the heart. If there's no aparad, no offense.